Hey guys, it's Becca, and we've got the August 2019 Cotton Cuts package. What? Yay, Cotton Cuts. Ah! What's that? My hands are too small? These are perfectly normal sized hands. I don't know why you think they're weird. Maybe there's something wrong on your computer screen. Maybe my hand size has been shrunken because you're watching this on a phone. See, look, just kidding. So the last day at the beach, we stopped at a place called the Stupid Factory, and I could not resist getting these little guys. They're hilarious. I think they're so cute. You don't care about my tiny baby hands. What you care about is this package. So let's dive into my Cotton Cuts package and see what we've got this month. Cotton Cuts is a subscription box that focuses on fabric only. When you first sign up, you tell them what you love and what you don't love, and they curate your fabric selection based on your taste and your preferences. Then each month you continue to give them feedback based on how well they did, and they refine their fabric selection for you. This is what the classic box looks like when you get it. It's always got that pretty tissue paper and a little sticker on it, which makes it feel like you're getting a present. On top, you always have a little bit of documentation. And inside the box is your fabric, your documentation. The first thing you always get is a little card that's the same on the side, but on the back it tells you what they selected for you and who your fabric enthusiast was. My fabric enthusiast for August 2019 was Val, and it says she chose some batiks, some florals, some holiday seasonals, some blenders, and she went into the CC vault for me. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I should have a little bit of everything this month. We also get a designer spotlight card, and on the back of the designer spotlight card is a code that you can use on their website to download a free PDF pattern that you can use. And you know what? There's actually, wow. So there's actually a couple of PDFs I would like. So I have noticed if you don't download this pretty quickly, I think they have limited downloads for each one of these, because I'll go online and the card may say there's 5, but if I wait a couple months, and that's happened before, some of those might not be available anymore. If you get this box, download your PDF pattern as soon as you get the box. Don't do like I do and put it aside and eventually get to it, because you'll forget and they won't be available anymore. And then the last thing you get is this block of the month card. And on the back side is a coloring sheet. And basically, if you color this in and post it to social media with the hashtag CC Color Challenge, you will be entered for a chance to win 2 yards of fabric, and entries are due by the 15th of every month. Every box usually has a little lanyap. It's just a freebie, a little something extra, as Cotton Cuts' way of saying thank you for being a subscriber. And this month we've got a little sticker sheet. This is what was in our mystery quilt packages this month. So I've already got a couple of these sheets. They're cute little stickers from Allison Glass. All right, let's dig into the fabric. Here's what my fabric bundle looks like up close. This is fabric number 1. I would actually consider this to be more of a blender, but this is considered holiday seasonal. It is from the All Hallows Eve line by Fig Tree Quilts for Moda Fabrics. Fabric number 2 is this beautiful blender. It is by the Conservatory line by Anna Maria Horner for Free Spirit Fabrics. Fabric number 3 is Art Gallery Fabrics. It is Bloomsbury by Barry J. Ackerman, and this is considered a floral. Fabric number 4 is a batik, but it also has a holiday seasonal feel to it. They have it marked as batik for this card, but it could have gone either way. It is this beautiful batik with silver metallic trees and snowflakes on it. This says it is Artisan Batiks by Robert Kaufman Fabrics. Cotton cuts. Hey, Val. Nice. I love batiks. You could send me a whole box of them and I would not object. Guys, get a look at that detail up close. I don't know if you can tell, but it's like a metallic silver. It's really pretty. I feel like this could be very Christmassy. So pretty. I think both of these were pulled from the vault. And I think Val dug into the vault and got me some Layla Boutique, because here's what I've got. I love, 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 love underscore bold italic 72 point font. Love Layla Boutique. And I've got fabric that looks like it might be from the Lollipop Garden line. And here's another one. So there are my 6 half-yard cuts. I'm excited about this, and there is one more thing. They are encouraging you to create with this fabric. So if you take some of the fabric in your box and you make something and you share it to social media with the hashtag #CCFeatureFriday, you will be entered for a drawing to receive a half-yard cut of fabric. Okay guys, that's my box for August 2019. Give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.